Greetings everyone, Karen here, Chief Fermentation Officer at ChouAmi. Very exciting day. So I've been fermenting this 1 liter jar of kimchi for about 2 months. So by the way, 1 liter is about ½ gallon. And there are giant pieces of kimchi in here because I just simply cut the Napa cabbage in about half. And yeah, so they've been fermenting this way and I'm so excited. So I invite you to come in and I'm going to take a piece out and show you how it looks. All right, so I am going to remove the ChouAmi parts. Wow, and everything is looking beautiful. There are no weird floating stuff, no molds or yeasts. And we are going to pull out a piece of big kimchi. Ooh, wow. This is hard work here. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my hands to help a little bit. Come on, you can do it. Come out, come out. Here, I'm gonna spin this around so you can see it better. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Woo! I love this. It's smelling incredible. And here we are. I'm putting it onto this plate. I'm just gonna spin these pieces around so that it looks more attractive. And there you have it. Can you see this? 1 giant piece of kimchi that's ready for me to devour, and I wish I could share some with you.